In primetime news this evening, the Devon House rehabilitation debate. Did the Office of the Contractor General act within its power when it investigated former Western Hanover MP Ian Hales and his wife? We'll explore. And later, more SOEs coming.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Angela. It's all about mergers, acquisitions, and amalgamations. Well, Massey's acquiring IGL and the JP Pan Jam amalgamation has been approved. I'll give you the details later on.
All right, thank you, Javon. From Javon, we go to Karen. She'll tell us what's coming in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, some stakeholders are concerned about some of the groups that will now be able to vote in the next JFF elections. I will tell you the bone of their contention later.
Oh, this is me. Right. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
I have the feedback question. It's, are you feeling the Christmas spirit? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Producer says he loves the colors on set. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.